She is an account manager at Tangere and the project lead of the Mga Filipino project. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Isabella Bayani as she presents the Mga Filipino project.
Hi everyone, good evening. So thank you once again for celebrating this special milestone with us tonight. So for those again who may not know me yet, I'm Isabella Bayani, account manager here at Tangere and the lead for Mga Filipino initiative. So as Tangere celebrates another year, we also wanted to launch something that reflects not just who we are as a company, but what we believe research should ultimately be. Because beyond data, charts, and insights, research should help us stay connected to the realities of everyday Filipinos. And that is exactly what inspired the Mga Filipino initiative. And tonight, we'd like to introduce an initiative that combines research, collaboration, and meaningful on-ground impact while bringing together brands, organizations, communities, and leaders who all play a role in shaping Filipino lives. And more importantly, we'd all like to invite all of you to become part of it. So every day, millions of Filipinos continue moving despite rising costs, uncertainty, and daily challenges. And among the sectors that continuously keep the country moving are our transport workers, especially jeepney drivers. So the Mga Filipino initiative was created as a way to recognize and support them, while also giving them a platform to share their voices, experiences, and realities. But beyond support, this initiative is also about creating partnerships between brands and communities in a way that feels genuine, purposeful, and impactful. So Tangere is launching, Tangere is launching a strategic initiative that combines on-ground support for drivers with real-time data collection, and we aim to support more or less 200 GP drivers while also generating verified grassroots insights that brands can use for decision making. At the core of this initiative is Tangere's strength in capturing authentic Filipino sentiment. And through the Mga Filipino initiative, participating partners will have the opportunity to gain direct grassroots insights from drivers in everyday commuters. These insights may include consumer behavior, daily experiences, financial realities, and mobility patterns. At the same time, this is not simply a one-time sponsorship opportunity. Ulitin ko po, hindi ito sponsorship. It's designed as a collaborative engagement where partners become part of a purpose-driven initiative while also gaining valuable consumer intelligence and engagement opportunities. So essentially, it creates both social impact and business value in one engagement. So what does this mean in simpler terms? Participating partners may receive around 300,000 worth of research studies from Tangere, and these are premium customized studies tailored to your specific research needs. And these studies may be customized depending on your brand's specific research objectives and information needs. And on top of that, participating partners may also gain access to the broader Bayanihan study that we will be conducting during the event. So aside from brand-specific insights, we also gain contextual insights into Filipino sentiment behavior and everyday realities on a much broader scale. So the initiative is designed to go beyond simple assistance. What we want to create is an experience that feels meaningful, human, and community-driven. From on-ground activities to engagement spaces to partner participation, the goal is to create moments where drivers feel recognized and appreciated, not just as workers, but as Filipinos who continue serving the public every day. And this is where we believe brands and organizations can play a meaningful role. So the initiative will also be supported by a coordinated media and digital campaign. Participating brands and partners will be featured across event communications, digital content, media exposure, and social media. More importantly, this creates an opportunity for organizations to align themselves with an initiative centered on Filipino resilience, bayanihan, and community support. So beyond visibility, it also becomes an opportunity to build more authentic connections with the communities that we serve. And during the event, participating drivers will go through a complete and organized experience, from registration to survey participation to community activities and assistance distribution. There will also be opportunities for media engagement and storytelling throughout the event. And because this initiative brings together brands, communities, and the people we aim to support, it becomes more than just an event. It becomes a shared platform for collaboration and impact. And in return, of course, partners can gain several key benefits. So you get brand exposure through on-ground presence and media coverage, positive brand association with a socially relevant initiative, access to rider insights through survey participation, and of course, yung service po namin here sa Tam Hero, which is a quantitative premium study. This ensures both brand and business value from the partnership. At its core, the Maka Filipino initiative is about recognizing the people who continue moving our country forward despite everyday challenges. And tonight, as we celebrate Tam Hero's anniversary, we also hope to begin building something bigger together with our partners, brands, organizations, and leaders who share the same commitment to understanding and supporting the Filipino people. And before I end, I also want to sincerely thank the partners who already believed in this initiative and said yes to becoming part of it. What was once just a katham-isip of mine has now slowly turned into reality because people chose to believe not only in the vision of Maka Filipino, but also in Tam Hero and what we stand for as a company. Something like this would have just remained an idea if people did not trust the purpose behind it and trust Tam Hero enough to help bring it to life. So truly, from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po for your trust, your support, and your willingness to help us bring this initiative to life. And to everyone here tonight, we hope you also become part of the Maka Filipino initiative with us because meaningful insights become even more powerful when they lead to meaningful action. Thank you so much and magandang gabi sa inyo.